Hello, yeah, welcome back to Crypto King. On this video, we are going to look into Binance Futures tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can possibly turn your $10 into $1,000 and your $100 into $10,000. And if this sounds interesting to you, I would really like you to do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. As you can see that we have been growing very fast. And thanks so much to all my subscribers. You can do this by clicking on the subscribe button written below this video. Click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, you get new notifications whenever I make new videos. Before we continue, please understand that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Let's get in. Now, there are things that you need in order to trade Binance Futures. And the very first thing you need is that you need a Binance account. And in order to get one, if you don't have a Binance account yet, make sure you use my referral link. In the description of this very video, I'm just showing you an example with my previous video. Click on the description here. You will find my Binance referral link here. And when you click on it, you can see it here. This is the Binance referral link. When you click on it, you can be able to register an account and have your own Binance account. And when you use my link, you will get 10% bonus. Alternatively, you can also use my Binance referral ID. As you can see it, this is my Binance referral ID. When you write this out, then you can be able to write it in the referral ID while creating your account. And by doing so, you will get 10% bonus. Now, the second thing that you need is that you need to deposit some crypto in your wallet, and you can actually do this using credit card or debit card or using the P2P method. But in some countries, due to some regulations and some other things, you may not be able to do this. But the good news is that I can actually help you to buy or sell crypto from any part of the world using my Crypto King exchanger. Now we are heading back to Binance, where we are going to take the trade. As you can see from here, that when you have created your account, you open the Binance app. It's going to take you here on the home page. You find the home page here. Now you find markets here. You see trades here, and then you see these futures here. So this is actually where we are going to get here. You click on the futures here, as you can see it here. Now when you click on these futures, now I am assuming that you have deposited some crypto in your wallet, and for this example, we are going to use USDT, because in this Binance Futures, you can actually trade with other coins, and then you can actually trade with this USDT pairs here. You find at the top here, you will find this USDS futures, and then you see this coin futures here. Now, but we are going to be using USDT for this example here. Now, look at what we are going to do. We are going to transfer the crypto that is in our wallet already. That's the USDT that we have in our spot wallet here to the Binance Futures. And in order to do that, you click on this transfer here. You can click on the transfer here. When you click on it, you change this P2P wallet here to coin futures here. When you change it to this coin futures here, now you will find this USDT, and then we are going to be using $10 for our example here. Now when you write $10, now you transfer it from your spot wallet, as you can see here, to your coin futures here. Now you click on the transfer. Now when you click on the transfer here, you go back to the futures, you find out that the $10 is here. Now you can see it here. You will see this 10 USDT here. Now what you are going to do here is that when you have it here, now you are going to set your market up, and now look at this. This is BTC USDT. So you are going to select the very coin that you are going to trade. And in order to do that, you click on these two arrows at the top here. Assuming you want to trade any other coin, let's say Ethereum, you search for ETH, that's the ticker, and you will find ETH USDT, ETH BUSD, ETH USDT. Now we are going to select ETH USDT. Now, assuming you are searching for any other thing, as far as what you have here is USDT, you can trade any coin here that has USDT pay. That's just the example I'm giving you here. You can see all these coins here that they have USDT pay, and you can trade them using the USDT, but we are going to for this example, we are going to use BTC. And how do you enter the trade? When you come to this Binance Futures here, this is how it works. You select your leverage. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. On top here where you are seeing 10x, you see this 10x. But the truth of the matter is that it's always good to keep it. Don't go beyond 10x if you are coming into this for the very first time. Now you can see that this is in 10x, but assuming you want to take it to 100x, you can see it here. You can even take it to up to 125x. So what does this mean? This leverage here means that if you have $10 like we have in our example here, and you have this 10x here, now it means that you are entering the market like someone that have $100, because when you multiply the $10 you have by this 10x here, 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So that's how it is. And if you take this to 100, if you take the leverage to 100, that means that you are multiplying the 10 by 100, and that is $1,000. So that means that you are entering the market like you have $1,000. So this is actually a way of maximizing your profit if you understand the market. So we are not going to talk much about this, but you just need to keep the leverage at 10x if you are new to the futures trading. And that is it for now. Now, the next thing that you need to set is this. You can see on top here, you see this place isolated. When you click on it, you see cross margin and then isolated margin. So this is actually what it means. Cross margin mode. All cross positions under the same margin asset share the same asset cross margin balance. In event of liquidation, your assets full margin balance along with any remaining open positions under the asset may be fortified. Asset margin mode. Margin assigned to a position is restricted to a certain amount. If the margin falls below the maintenance margin level, the position is liquidated. However, you can add and remove margin at will under this method. So this is actually why I like the isolated margin mode, so that in event of liquidation, it is only that very position that you open that can get liquidated. It cannot affect any other thing. But when you put it to this cross here, if you leave it to cross, and assuming you open the position in BTC USDT and then in ETH USDT, and you have this mode here, this margin mode at cross margin mode, then it can actually affect both the one you have in BTC, can actually affect even the one you have in Ethereum or any other coin. So that's why I like putting it on this isolated. If you do not get this very well, just put the margin mode in isolated for now. Now, the next thing that may interest you in this futures trading is that you can actually make money even if BTC or coins are going down, if as far as you predicted it very well and you enter the correct position. Now, look at this. If you are predicting that BTC will go up, you buy. That means you are longing it. But if you know that it's going to go down, then you sell. When you sell it, you open this position using this shorting here, then you are making money still. As far as it goes according to your prediction, you will be making money. It's the market here that you are going to put it. If you want to enter the market immediately, you are not waiting for it to reach the price, your set price. So this is how to do it. And now I'm going to enter the trade immediately, as you can see from here. And in order to enter the trade, I'm going to click on this chart here, and looking at this chart, you can see from here in the 1 minute chart that is right now trying to push up, and that's why I'm going to long it. So, and in order to long it here, I'm going to enter the market. You can see from here, you draw this arrow, you draw this from this left side to the right side. That's the percentage of what you are going to use out of the 10 USDT you have here, what you are going to use to enter the market. And this is what I'm going to use. Let me just use 80% of the 10 USDT. And when I put this in 80%, as you can see from here, when I put it in 80%, this is 0.001 BTC, and I'm going to buy long right now. and I'm going to confirm this. When I confirm it, you can see that the market entered immediately based on the price. And as you can see from here that I'm right now in a profit of 0.9. This is profit of almost 1% now. And as you can see from here that I'm going to show you how to set your stop loss. Look at this. When you want to set your stop loss, if the market starts going down, this is going to affect me because I buy long here. I use this long here instead of short. So if you want to make money while it's going down, then you are going to short it. When you short it, you can be making money while the market is going down. But right now, if BTC continues to go up, then I will continue to this. My position will continue to increase. I'm going to continue making money from this trade. But if it starts going down, then I'm going to be in a loss. So that's how it works. And this is how to set your stop loss. In order to set the stop loss, I'm going to do this. You come to this price here, you see this stop USDT. Now I'm going to set the stop loss is going to be like if the market starts going down, let it cut the trade and then leave my remaining balance for me. Because look at this, I want to show you something here. Whenever you enter a market, look at this, watch this here. This is the liquidation price. So assuming BTC gets to 42,861.86%. Now this my trade, my entire money here we just go because this is the liquidation price. So whenever you enter a market, just make sure you be watchful of this liquidation price. And that's the main reason. That is the main reason why you use this stop loss. And I'm going to enter the stop loss right now. And when you click here, then you enter the stop loss. So the stop loss should be something that is higher than that 42,000. So let's say 43,000. So if BTC gets to 43,000, this is the loss. Now look at this from this down here. You will see this position amount 0.001 BTC, and then this estimated profit and loss. This is minus 4.45 USDT. So if BTC gets to $43,000, I'm going to have minus 4.45 USDT, and then they will leave my remaining balance. But if I don't have stop loss and it gets to this liquidation price of $42,861.86, then my entire money is going to just be in a loss because of this trade. So what am I going to do here? Let's set the stop loss. Even this 4 USDT is too high here, so I'm going to set this at 45,000. If I set this at 45,000, this is going to be minus 2.45 USDT. So you can set your stop loss. Now, I'm just using this as an example. Before you enter this trade, you need to study the charts, or you need someone that is giving you signals. And that's why you need to join my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group. That's where I post most of the signals that our group members use to trade. So in that signal, I will show you the take profit targets, the targets that you need to take your profits. And then sometimes I also give you the stop loss. That's the target what you use to set your stop loss, that the very price that you set your stop loss. So I'm just showing you how to do it here. This market I entered here is just for tutorial sake. It's not that I planned market. So what I'm going to do here is that after setting the stop loss at 35,000, I confirm it. When you confirm it, now if you confirm it like this, if BTC gets to that very price of $45,000, the market will cut and then will leave your remaining balance for you. So from here now you can see that I have 3 open orders. These are the take profit and then the stop loss that I performed on this trade. So when BTC gets to that level, then the market is going to get filled. And from here, you can adjust your leverage. Look at this. When you click here, you can adjust the leverage. If you want to increase the leverage we used here is 10x. So you can actually increase the leverage. Don't forget that the higher the leverage, the higher the gain, and then the higher the risk too. So And this is where to set your stop loss and then your take profit, and you can actually close the position. This third one here, you can close the position if you want to exit out of the market. Yeah, you can close the market automatically without waiting for it to get to these levels that we set our take profit and then our stop loss. So this is it. Now I'm still on the market, and as you can see it from here, that this is the market. Don't forget that this is where to set your take profit and stop loss. When you click here, our stop loss here is for 45,000. And when it gets to 45,000 without first making us profit, this is what we are going to see. This is going to be minus $2.45. And now look at take profit. So in that your target based on the chart, you know exactly which level to take profit. So assuming BTC gets to 51,000 in our favor here, so we are going to be in a profit of 3.4. This is 3.54 USDT. So this is how it is. Now we are going to confirm this. When I confirm it here, you will see it. I have set my take profit. I have set my stop loss. So from here now you can see that I have 3 open orders. These are the take profit and then the stop loss that I performed on this trade. So when BTC gets to that level, then the market is going to get filled. And from here you can adjust your leverage. Look at this. When you click here, you can adjust the leverage. If you want to increase the leverage we used here is 10x. So you can actually increase the leverage. Don't forget that the higher the leverage, the higher the gain, and then the higher the risk too. So, and this is where to set your stop loss and then your take profit. And you can actually close the position. This third one here, you can close the position. If you want to exit out of the market, yeah, you can close the market automatically without waiting for it to get to these levels that we set our take profit and then our stop loss. So this is it. Now look at this. The market is still open, as I can see from here, that I've earned 0.02 USDT. I'm in a profit of 0.6%. And if you click this arrow, look at this small arrow here. Assuming you want to share this trade to any other person, you can click on this arrow here. When you click on it, look at this. Then you can download it in your phone. Look at save image. You click on allow. Then you can download it from here and then share it in other places. You can share on Facebook. You can share on Telegram. Then you can download it. You can share on other platforms. When you click on this more here, then you can be able to share it on other platforms. So let's get back. So this is still the trade. As you can see it from here, it is still open. Now look at this. Look at the market as you can see it here. Don't forget that what I just used to enter this trade is around $5. As you can see, this is just for example. This is just for this tutorial. This is not a planned market, but I already have a profit of 2.7%. Look at this. When you come back here, look at the available. I still have 5.21 USDT, meaning that I used 4 point something dollars to enter this trade. So what I even used to enter this trade is not even up to $5. So this is how it works. The thing is still going up. Why am I making profit? Because BTC is going up. So look at it here. So whenever you enter a correct market, assuming that I used $100 to enter it, I will be in a very big profit by now. So this is how the market works. And then as it's going up like this, I can just decide to close the position immediately. When I close it, you click on this close position here, you click on it, and then you close the market, you confirm it, and then you are selling it. And then the position, as you can see it here, is now closed. If you come to this open orders, you will not find anything because I opened these orders, those orders based on the market, that very position that I had here. So this is how it works. And now you can see that when I come back to my $10, I now have 10.09 USDT. Could you remember that what I had here was just only $10, but just because of this small rise on BTC, this is where this 0.9 USDT came from. So this is how to trade on Binance Futures. And assuming you have made your gain and now you want to send your money back to your spot wallet, you can click on these 2 arrows at the top here. When you click on it, it will bring you here. You can see it down. Now, because you want to take your money back to the spot, you make sure that this USDM futures is going to be at the top. And now what are we going to do? We are going to click on these two arrows here. When you click on it, it will take this to the up and then the spot wallet down here. And you can see from here that I have 10.09 USDT here, and now you click on Mars. When you click on Mars, and then you can transfer it back to your sports wallet. And thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your coming here. In order not to make the video too long, I'm going to stop it here. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates, and you can do this by clicking on the subscribe button written below this video. Click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, you will get new notifications whenever I make new videos. Don't also forget to click on the description of this video to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group so that you can be getting updates from there. Don't also forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also share with your friends. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.